my show, 23rd of... What's with this one? Who they operate this show, you dey crazy? But I say, no, you better say I come from. I be worried about you, man. Can you remove this rubbish? I don't blame the boy, yo. I don't like her. The boy is living my dream life. I don't like him. What are they plan say 5 years anniversary? This year I'm going to be 5 years in marriage. What are they plan say 5 years anniversary I go do? This idiot now don't they do him? He they live above the age. Yes now, because this small piggy now, he they carry get go South Africa, they day inside water, he will drown. Idiot. You think I'm happy with him? I don't like them, but we made it for social media, I don't like them, but you don't see comments. See the day they went to for Jarvis, that see comments. Are these kids not too small? Nigeria, it they pin them. Haters! Let somebody write, say, are they not supposed to be in school? Ooh, the boy post spit for her face. Evil. Social media, very young place, bro! God had just be at that time, if it's a war, that time, an economical war, political war, but now, social media war, everybody, they attack everybody. See Donald Trump now. When Donald Trump enter, I just say, you have just 2 genders in America, male and female. See social media, people reply him. For Thailand, they just reply and say, now he know we legalize same-sex marriage. Canada reply him. You see, Nigeria not talking easy. Because not going to sign us. Now when he comes out and say on the 20th of February, no more citizenship if you are giving birth in America. See where Nigeria reply, you say you be God. Oh! What God cannot do does not exist. My brother, the one man now see one man carry spend the wrong hospital. He said, I better give them visa and my children be this. Hello, Cyberboard, sit down. You calm down. If you dey here and for some reason you need to collect your friend's wife number, maybe because of the work which they do, I give you this advice. No ever collect your friend's wife. Obaro, come on now, not distract me. If you collect your friend's wife number, no ever save her with that your friend name first. For example, Michael won't collect Jacob's wife number because of her business. No go write down Jacob wife. Any day when you see Jacob babe, you know say WhatsApp, you go type Jacob, yeah, you don't begin type, but you just see that your babe now. You don't go see my wife in the tat. You're going to say which one? Say that black one now for Ajay. Say you go write, I get 2 babe for Ajay. Which one you see? The guy they bury him on Thursday. You think kill him, Baba, then go chat in wife. Avoid another thing where you go do. If you want marry or you get spouse, we on go to do wedding. You see for everybody phone, you get one app and they call my eyes only. You go hide picture, you hide video. I avoid that. Spoil my guy marriage. They very back. Say, baby, I want to see you on my eyes only. The guy drag. The girl collect the phone. Come they search. By the way, when then they date, the girl say they no go knock until they marry. So the girl don't know the size of a. The girl can't see one video for the phone. Man and woman for the guy room and the guy bedsheet, but in face no show. The girl begin cry. So you've been cheating on me. She call all her sisters, then gather. We hold you on high esteem. Why would you do this to our sister? The guy they explain, no be me and my guy. Then say no because the girl no decide. Family full parlor, then they out of frustration and the guy pulling trouser and whole phone say, oh yeah, look this prick now. No, look, look this prick. Ah, bro. I don't check. I don't know the secret of success. These big men, na very little thing. Then they collaborate. CK lead now. They do drink, they do seasoning, they do real estate, one hand, they do many business. They put hand for other businesses. See Jacob Dynasty, they say one of the most expensive suits. If you know say you go break up later, no go buy in suit cost. Quality suits. You get club. You go be friend now with another person where they sell drink. We go to supply for a club.
See Mike Okoloba, he get hotel. Then go collaborate. My papa time. My father they repair fridge. All in friends they repair fridge. How I want take grow? How? Now there poison starts now because he repair big fridge passing friend. Friend go come and say, Ukwaba shoe, Ukwaba. I want to poison this guy now. Bro, musicians and other people where they make just to do rhyme. See that song where Mark need to sing, say, give me car, give me keys, get belly, give me kids, Rolls Royce, give me kids. Now I sing, now I say, give me head, give me teeth. If they give you head, give you teeth, go, if you continue that song. Now they do rhymes, they do. Last, how many weeks ago, it was Osime's birthday. Then Nigeria will go club. DJ they play song. You know how you could just take club? Out of reflex, you could just sing the song with DJ they play. You take club, you home away, they dance. The next thing now here, I don't want to be a player no more. My wife tell us, you don't want to be player, how will take the fifth family? You shouldn't be saying, no one be player. If you don't be player, you go keep out. I want to feed them, Papa. No be here, will allow me to kill everybody, Papa, for song. You and your papa they alive, you go take club, you no go know when you sing. Since I lost my father and I him, you don't, and your papa they alive. Tell me, another girl, and I notice after they go say girls, everybody they find husband. You notice they almost all tennis song. Now man, she they try appeal to. I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I clap the judge for your case. For your case, you lelele. The boy no answer. She entered the next song. I go be your superwoman. Money day, money no day. Bama. The boy lock up. She entered another song. If to say I get the superpower, oh, I for come meet you where you day. I invite you.
They say,
hold on.
Money don't buy you.
Now here I will come clap. I want drink of my sponsor. Meridian Club Cream. Good for you. If you're ready to give follow my money for this period, Baba, I go use and drink tea. I go use bread. By the way, you guys, you have it on your table, right? How do you feel the taste? Good, right? I mean, that's it. Now my Oga personally, so if you want drop proposal, come through me. I want to know where they disturb her. Guy, no. And boys go reform work. All these girls, they don't to chop our money. We need to take again. Valentine just pass, all the boys, they gather money to spend for girls who don't spend Valentine. One guy carrying girl come out and interview the guy, can you help us for Valentine? He say, no, I don't believe in Valentine. No. I like Val, V-A-L. Mama do the Val when she like. But I go last week. Now I say, you don't take away we enjoy all this, our old life. Now I say, make I enter bus. Baba, you know, say, conductors for Port Harcourt, then they crazy, so, and they know they stress them. Once you know where your change, as you reach your bus stop, one come down, then go just pair you with another person. So now you come down, they go say, you give her 500, you give her 200. Now so last week, Port Harcourt, they pair one pastor with Ronsgirl, we get big nyash. See your pastor carry Bible, they follow Ronsgirl for back. I want to explain to people saying I changed. I want to explain saying I changed the divine. I don't say if you want catch what your friend they do, if you really want to know what your friend they do, just borrow your phone. Do like I say you want search for something for browser. Check the last things when chat when search about. You go know in plan. Like if I collect this my guy phone now, check. I'm gonna check like cheap flights to Russia. You know saying they plan to go back. Collect this bro's phone now, check. Good venues in Lagos. You'll be like saying one do wedding. Collect this guy phone now, check. You'll see symptoms of ampiclos. You know saying don't carry.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.